morning, Anki.
Good morning.
How are you?
Excellent.
Where are you today?
We are on the outskirts of Johannesburg and we're going to skydive.
Yay! Any particular reason you're jumping out of an aircraft that works today?
That works today.
Yes.
I hope to hell it works.
Yes, it does work.
But yeah, I think the reason is that because South Africa is like the adventure capital and we really wanted to skydive here. So that's why we're here.
Well, thank you for choosing Johannesburg Skydiving Club.
Thank
I look
you.
forward to jumping with you.
Same.
Want to see big smiles? High five. I'll see you out there.
See you.
Did you enjoy that?
I loved it!
Wow. Hanging on there. Cool, eh?
It's so cool!
Welcome home! Watch out, guys. Hey!
Oh, it was incredible!
Welcome back!
Thank you!
How was that?
It was amazing!
You were incredible. Give me a high five. Welcome to South Africa.